Well, hard times have caught up. It used to be about 7 or 8 people playing backup. We're down to 3 now.
Government cutbacks.
You're really going to see all the mistakes we make. Anyhow, we welcome everybody. Hope you enjoy this evening and in memory of Alberta. And you shouldn't do anything but smile when you think of her. She was a character. We never practiced this, but anyway, Connie Smith came to Marmora, and I was so upset because it rained all weekend. And we were going to drive to Marmora, and it quit raining 5 minutes before she was on. You guys were there. Isn't that right? George, you did it. Anyway, this is one of her songs that I really liked in D. Once a day, I'll be alone, and once a night, from dusk till dawn, the only time I wish you were gone. It's once a day, every day, all day long. We found somebody who's like what I ever would. Forget you, for I thought that I never would. But time is taking all the pain away. Lucky me, I'm only hurting once a day. Y'all sing. Once a day, all day long, and once a night, from dusk till dawn, the only time I wish you were gone. It's once a day, every day, all day long. So glad that I'm not like the friend I knew one time. He lost someone he loved and slowly lost his mind. He sat around and cried his life away. Oh, lucky me, I'm only hurting once a day. Once a day, all day long, and once a night, from dusk till dawn, the only time I wish you were gone. It's once a day, every day, all day long. That's once a day, every day, all day long. Thank you so much. Wait till you hear the Harmony girls down there. They're from Harmony Road.